some of these.
Yeah.
These olive guys.
So this is our good buddy Chell. You'll remember him from the fishing trip. You'll remember him from previous fishing trips.
Someone get a camera. Get on the motor.
He's fly fisher extraordinaire. He's gonna show me how to do the double haul devil's elbow and get one out there. So prepare for this, because we're gonna start lining rods, I believe. Isn't that what you do?
Yep.
Because they're all taken down?
Yep, that's what we're doing first.
Come here just a second, come here. I didn't tell Chell anything about this. We're good, but if all else fails, we've all seen this before. Yeah, that might come into play. I'm gonna throw it back down in my waders. So, should be a fun day. What's up, dog? Should be a good day.
Did I just see a big, like...
No, you didn't see, no, there's nothing to see here except about a 28-inch brown. Chell said, hey, we gotta go hit this. So it's about a half an hour out of our way. We're gonna hit this for like half a day. I'm super pumped. Awesome looking water. I don't know, we'll see. Make a little fishing video, so pumped. So what I was noticing when I grabbed my waders, because it's been a while since I've used them, I don't have dangly bejewels on any of my waders. So I'm pretty sure these are Casey's from Hush. I'm pretty sure they're his waders, aren't they? Yeah.
What size?
I don't know.
These are really nice nippers.
Are they?
It's about $50 set of nippers.
I might be having those.
Yeah.
Yeah. He may not get those back. I don't know what size they are. What size mine?
Large stout.
Perfect. That's what we're looking for.
Large short, I don't know.
Large short. It looks like they're gonna fit me. So, Casey, if I catch like my PB or PR, personal record, personal best. Anyway, I may be taking these from you for good luck, but hope you like mine.
We started the morning in this calm, dead water, saw a couple trout rise up at this riffle. So after Trent broke off and lost his fly, Chell said, all right, we're gonna go straight from high school baseball, skip the minor leagues, straight to the majors. We're going dry fly, we're going up here. The browns are on the surface. So just saw a giant, I don't know, 17-inch come completely out of the water. My job today is to not let the dog eat the dead carp and hopefully film them catching a fish. It's a pretty easy job. Well, the latter half, I don't know, hopefully they catch one.
Dry. We in the biz call this dry fishing. Dry fly mania.
How do you feel about it, Trent?
I think I made a pretty good showing there. The casting ability is starting to actually kind of come around. I'm not gonna lie. Catching ability could probably use some help. I broke off one already. When I say broke off one, I broke off a fly. This is fun, man. This is a beautiful day. We've seen a couple trout come up and rise, so. Chell, can I throw the panther a couple times? This could be sacrilege right here. Been carrying this little. Had to bring it, brother. Had to bring it. I don't know if I should apologize or what. Some would call this the Excalibur.
Just throw it randomly as far as you can. And just...
Throw it randomly, keep it kind of towards the surface, keep it spinning, keep it spinning. These fish are quick, Cody. I'm glad I didn't catch one first cast because I would have felt terrible. Second cast is, we're okay. Put my rod away here. Don't want to be seen on these Pierce fly rivers with the Excalibur. I believe it's called frowned upon. It's not illegal, it's totally legal, but a little bit frowned upon. So we're gonna go to another spot and see if we can't compete for another spot because we got people above us, people below us. The rig just pulled off on the other side of us. I can't believe how many people here to cast a little bug around. It's crazy.
How do you smell? How do you feel about yourself? Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed? He won't even look at me.
He's totally embarrassed.
How do you feel about it, Joe?
Oh, I smell dead fish bad.
The dog really stinks. He's old enough to know better too. He's gonna be 11 next week.
Yeah, probably. Desperate times, guys. Bringing out the Excalibur. I don't know. Tried the fly thing. How did it go on your end? Really good?
Yeah. Well, it's
rough.
a nice day.
It's a great day. It's a great day. I'm gonna go down there and throw the old thriller killer.
Throw it in that slower water over
Yeah,
there.
I'm just gonna work my way down like through there and then just.
I mean, there's obviously fish in there. It's just the river's actually high.
Is it?
Yeah, they must have just opened it.
Watch this. Boom! Fish on!
So that wasn't too bad. He's still wrapped up.
Right when it hit the water, it just slayed it.
That's a pretty
That
fish.
thing is giant. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's all you. Here, give me this rod.
That thing is huge.
I'll take some photos if I can. Oh, the spinner works. Obviously, that's a healthy brown trout.
Look at that thing. That thing is huge.
His hand wasn't so pretty fish.
Those are big. God, those are so awesome. Look at that. Again, the Panther proved himself. That's all I gotta say. There's nothing against you at all, Chell. I loved it. That was fun. That's a stud fish too. We'll just let him go here. That was cool. That was cool. Chell,
Nice.
thanks, buddy. Guys, we caught one. So the day is a definite bonus. Not only the weather's nice, awesome people, awesome fishing, but we actually caught a fish. So that was pretty cool. Not gonna lie. You ready to hit it? You ready to hook on a Panther yet, brother?
No. But
You won't even look at the camera now. Won't even look at it.
well, we're supposed to be fly fishing.
That's right. We're supposed to be catching fish is what we're supposed to be doing. That was awesome. Where's my rod? I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna end it right there. I'll take my telescope, put it back together. We've seen about 500 people today. Not one of them I saw catch a fish, so I'm not gonna lie. Excalibur did fairly well today, I would say. So guys, if you wouldn't mind, we're having a blast bringing these videos to you. We worked all day to catch one fish. The least you could do, please, 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 is hit the like and subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel. You'll get all of our stuff as it comes out. You'll be the first one to see it, and we're just going to do more adventures. So please, please like and subscribe our stuff, and thank you guys so much. It's because of you guys that we make this stuff, so thank you guys for watching. We're out of here. We're headed out.